According to NFPA 70/NEC Article 110.2, all electrical equipment installed within the jurisdiction of the authority having jurisdiction, or OJ, must be listed by a nationally recognized testing laboratory, or NRTL, unless one of the following exceptions applies. Firstly, equipment is exceptionally listed by a qualified testing agency. Secondly, equipment is part of a listed assembly. Thirdly, equipment is used for research, development, or testing and is not used to supply a public load. Fourthly, equipment is in a building or structure not accessible to the public. If a piece of equipment is not NRTL listed and does not fall under one of the exceptions listed above, then it may require review and approval by the AHJ. If the non-listed equipment is being permanently installed in an operating facility, it is likely that it would require inspection and approval by the site AHJ. Laboratory equipment, such as scales, meters, and data acquisition hardware, generally does not require inspection under the NEC unless it is used to supply power to other equipment or is connected to a public load. However, some laboratory equipment may require inspection based on specific requirements of the AHJ. If a vacuum pump is hardwired and permanently installed in the facility, it would likely require review and approval by the AHJ. If a microscope is connected to a cord and plug and is not used to supply power to other equipment, it may not require inspection under the NEC. However, the AHJ may require inspection if they have specific concerns about the equipment's safety. Generally, scales, meters, and data acquisition hardware do not require inspection under the NEC unless they are used to supply power to other equipment or are connected to a public load. To ensure compliance and avoid any potential issues, it is advisable to consult with the AHJ regarding the specific requirements for non-NRTL equipment and the inspection of laboratory equipment.